The Bosch Dishwasher E05 code usually points to a problem with the dishwasher's flow meter or water supply system. It means that water isn't being properly detected or distributed inside the machine. This can happen due to a clogged filter, blocked inlet hose, or even a faulty water sensor. To try fixing it yourself, start by unplugging the dishwasher. Check the water inlet hose and make sure it's not kinked or blocked. Then, remove and clean the inlet filter. Also, inspect the flow meter, usually located near the water inlet valve. It might need cleaning or resetting. Reconnect everything and run a short cycle to see if the error clears. However, if the Bosch Dishwasher E05 keeps coming back, the issue could be with the flow meter sensor itself or the control board. In that case, calling a certified Bosch technician is the safest option. Repair costs can vary, but for this error, the average cost ranges between $120 and $250, depending on the part and labor involved. To sum up, the Bosch Dishwasher E05 error is mostly related to water intake problems. While minor issues can be handled at home, don't hesitate to get professional help if the error persists. Better safe than sorry, especially when it comes to your kitchen appliances.